Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do tutorials and reviews of affordable, inexpensive makeup, but in today's video we're doing a tutorial of how to make this wig work, how I prepare my wigs for wear, pretty much out of the bag. So this is a Webster wig, and we're going to be going through it and doing it step by step. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time. So like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this. So I got this wig on Webster Wigs website. This was recommended, highly recommended by Fiona. And Fiona, thank you so much. And it's your fault. I got all sucked right into it. So I love drag culture, I love drag queens. And this is not just for drag queens, but it's like very popular amongst drag queens. It's a great quality wigs, and those are very thick. They're high density, and they're all synthetic, but they look very nice and very full. So this was Lily, and it's rooted with platinum ice. It's called rooted platinum ice. So it means it's like a slight root, like a natural blonde color, and it goes almost white at the ends. Yeah, to me it's like very dramatic. I love that. So this was 65 pounds. Yeah, it sounds expensive, but for the good quality synthetic wig, that's actually not expensive. Because natural real hair human wigs to look like this, it would be, I don't know, over $500 easily. So yeah, so this is a lace front wig. So it means there is lace in the front and there is like gap in the back. So you're gonna see me doing this on the bed. I put it out on the bed, you'll see what it looks like. So what did it say? Its style is A-layered straight style. The length is 20 inches when pulled straight. So it's like it has a little body wave, which I love, like just a little bit. So I didn't do anything with it yet. I might cut a little bit of layers in the front, but so far I just want to see what it looks like, you know, how it wears, and then we'll figure out if I want to cut a little, because there's layers, but I could like maybe layer a little more, but I don't want to F it up, so I'm just leaving it as is. So it says the density is about 200%, meaning she has a lot of hair and very full. She also has about 1-2 inches of parting space on a soft invisible swift lace front. So I'm gonna do me and you'll see. I mean, I didn't do the best job styling it for now, because I just wanted to show you how I, you know, cut the lace and do all other things. It says you can use heating tools up to 170 degrees Celsius to curl or straighten. You know what I noticed with the synthetic wigs, at least not this one, but others I had, I tried to straighten it. One was real curly, but it won't go back to curly shape when you wash it. So once you straighten it, you have to like recurl it back. So it's like a little tricky. So like I would not touch it. I would just wear it as is, for me, just at least for me. So it has 3 combs. So it has 1 in the back. It has 2 on the sides, but it's like kind of far back. So when I sew in combs, I sew it in somewhere around here. I feel it comes right here. So this comb is far back. So in the front there is lace. So it's meant to be worn over braided hair or over short hair glued down with the wig glue. So there is a weave glue and wig glue, which is more like industrial strength, I would say. It won't come off that easy. I have to use glue remover. So that kind of glue can also damage hair, and it can pull in the hair. You can like a tension and everything. So if you wear wigs occasionally, just like me, I would say just use the clips. So I take those little clips. So I bought these clips on Amazon. So these are regular clips that you use for any kind of clip-on extensions. They usually come with this. But I like to use this on my lace run wigs, on synthetic ones. I mean, I only have synthetic. So this is what it looks like. It's like a regular clip, so it has all these holes. You just take thread and needle and sew it on. I usually like to sew it very close to the edge of the lace on the side. See, it's lifting now. I glued it down, but not very carefully because, I mean, just for the video, I didn't care. But I'll lift it up for you so you can see. So here's the clip right there. You zoom in. So the clip is right here. So it clips and pulls the hair back and it holds it. So if I move my head, it's not going anywhere there. So the wig comes also with a wig cap, with the two of them here. And it comes with the picture of the drag queen. I told you, it's mostly for the drag queens. Well, for me, it means it's for me. So it shows you how to cut the lace, cleaning the lace, and washing, you know, all the tips and tricks and everything. So yeah, so that's very helpful. And the clips from Amazon. Again, the clips, it's like optional. Most people just wear it as is. But I usually use got-to-be glue if I really want the lace to stay. So here I already glued it. I didn't do the best job because this is just for the video today and I'm going to take it off. But if I was going somewhere, I would really make sure I put a lot of layers and use some hair dry on low. So this has got to be glue invisible styling gel. So I like this one like compared to the yellow bottle, because the yellow bottle is not clear and sometimes you can see it. This one is clear. So I take a little bit. I'm just gonna show you real quick to glue like this part that came off. So put a little bit. I mean, I would do it like a little better if I was going somewhere. And now you can press it in. I mean, you can wait for it to dry, or you can use a hair dryer on like low heat, or even on cool. So it usually dries pretty fast, but you again, you can help it with the hair dryer. This one I dried already down. I glued it down here, I glued it down here and here. So yeah, if I use more glue and like do it more like in more layers and wait until it dries and do another layer and wait until it dries, usually it works a lot better. You can see the part here. I just wanted to show the part. So the lace stops about let's see, like here. So I can put my finger here, I can feel where the cap starts, like the tracks over there. But here it's all the lace. It's pretty thick. So what other things, like I put some concealer here, but you can see it actually. But I mean, you cannot see it from distance. But what I also could do, if I ever decide like where exactly my part is, I can pluck some hair and just get some tweezers and pluck the hair, because it's gonna look more natural. So even the hairline, I can pluck a little bit because this looks like it's a little thick. But like for me, I don't care because I'm not gonna wear it every day. But if somebody wears it more often, I would say pluck the hair a little bit. So in the next clip, you're gonna see me cutting off the lace and sewing on those clips, and you'll see exactly what I mean by that. So sorry it's a little dark in here. I'm just sitting in my bedroom because my filming area is too busy. So I brought it here on the bed. So this is the lily. And I've had it for a few months. I've just been such a lazy hoe. I never had a chance to do anything with it. And now I'm a brunette. And today I feel like going blonde again. And this is going to be a fabulous wig to review. And I'll show you what I do with my wigs. Obviously, I don't wear them out for like days at a time. I just wear them for occasions. So I never glue them. But if I want to make them stay, I use got-to-be glued as a gel to glue the lace to the scalp. I'm not going to do a tutorial of got-to-be glued because there's so many of them on YouTube. And there are specific wig channels that all they do is show you like how to glue the wig to a head. So today I'm going to show you how to put it on, how to cut the lace. I mean, obviously you just cut the lace, and then I'm going to use the clips on the wig. So what you do is buy, I bought this on Amazon. I just bought it in blonde color. I would say buy clips of the color slightly darker than the wig, because anything too light is gonna stand out. So this is what the wig came with. it looks all fabulous. As you might know, Webster Wigs are mainly for drag queens, and I love drag queens. I kind of think of myself as one. I just love drag queens. Shush. Oh my god, my friend's texting. Okay, so it has all the instructions for wig care in here and everything. It's synthetic, but it's high quality, it's high density. This one, Lily Ice Platinum, right now, looked online, they're sold out. But this is a beautiful wig. So I've got my thread, my clips, and this came with the wig cap. So here's the thing, you can wear the wig cap, but with a wig cap, like, it doesn't really, it's not gonna sit on your head well, to me, because it has nothing to hold on to. So I like to wear wigs on top of my hair and just use the clips to clip the wig to the hair. You'll see what I do. So it came in this beautiful bag. So first things first, I know this scissors are a little large, so I would say maybe you would want to use something smaller, but this is the ones that sit in my drawer here. I don't feel like getting up and looking for another one. So you want to either clip the hair out of the way, but there's not much hair in the way. It's synthetic wig, so the hair kind of really lays flat. So you want to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible without cutting into the hair. So I'm going to start here on the side. You can always go back and cut more. I'm just going to start cutting around. And make sure when you buy wigs, make sure that the lace matches the skin tone. Because I've done this mistake. I've made a mistake before. When you buy cheap wigs on like AliExpress or on Amazon, eBay, sometimes they come with only one lace color and it's only one. So I bought so many times the wig with the lace color. It's a little dark because they're made for like women of color. And I'm an idiot. So I was like, oh, wig, I love it. And of course, you can end up just putting some concealer in the part, but it's better just to have the lace in your own skin tone. Yeah, I'm not doing a very neat job, but I can go back to clean it. So that's pretty much it. Just cut it across the lace. So now that we cut the lace off, now we can look at where we want to put the clips. So the clips are personal preference. If you're just doing this for the videos, like on YouTube, I mean, you wouldn't need anything because it wouldn't be going anywhere. But the wig comes with this kind of clips here. And this kind of clips, I mean, they're very smooth, so they're not really going to do much by holding your wig on your head and one in the back. Maybe this one works from the back of your head, but these, they don't really do much. So every wig that I've got before, either from Amazon and eBay or AliExpress, I used clips to sew them onto the lace. Yeah, I might be ruining the lace a little bit, but, you know, I'm not the one to wear the wigs like, you know, people wear them for days and stuff. So it's not that important. So I'm gonna put one clip here, attach this part, because I don't want to ruin the lace here, because you want to be able to part the hair, so you don't want it to stick. Sometimes I would sew a clip like right onto the lace, but I don't want to do it in this case. The wig is very fabulous and expensive, so one is going to go in the middle here. Now here's the part where it gets a little tricky. So I want the sides to stick to my head. So when I wear a wig, the telltale sign, the sides of the wig is going to be like this, because it's lace and there's nothing to hold on to. So I am going to sew a clip on each side of this lace, and you might say I'm ruining it, but I'm not planning to glue it on my head again. For me, it's more important for a wig to stay on my head, and the clip is gonna go like somewhere near the edge, but not at the very edge. So let me get back to you and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to show you a few stitches. I mean, it's just a basic stitch. I'm going almost all the way to the side. So the teeth are facing back, of course, very important, because that happened to me by mistake before. I sewed it in the wrong way and I had to redo the whole thing. The teeth go back towards your head. So yeah, it's pretty much very simple, almost to the very edge, because I was looking at the edge to make sure you cannot really see the clip, Because if I put it all the way down to the edge, you can see it through, but this way you won't. You won't be able to. So pretty much nothing to it, just simply sew it on. And try not to get too many hairs into the stitches, because I mean, that would not be good. I guess I'm doing pretty well. So I'll just do all of 3 of them and I'll be back, because it's pretty simple. One goes on one side, the other goes on the other side, and then the third one is gonna go here in the middle. So I'll be back with the full thing done. Okay, all the clips have been sewn. So this is the one in the middle, and these are 2 on the side. So when I put it on, my sides are gonna be tight against my head, and hopefully I can get away with this for like maybe night out, somewhere where it's not gonna be windy. If I really want it tight on, again, I would use the Got To Be glue gel to glue the lace to my head. But other than that, we're gonna be using this as is. So this is pretty much it. You know, that's what I did. I also did not show you on camera. What I did is I sprayed this wig with the dry hair shampoo. Because when it comes like this, synthetic, especially light blonde colors, they tend to be very shiny. Like maybe the brown hair, usually not as shiny, but still like a lot of hair wigs are very, synthetic wigs are very shiny. So this was pretty shiny. So I put some spray and I combed it through. Usually the dry shampoo takes the shine out of it. You know, could put some hairspray too, it helps. So yeah, I really love this. This like takes me back, like I'm kind of miss blonde a little bit, but I like my brown hair, but I really like, I enjoy this so much. So yeah, highly recommend Webster Wigs. I think they're sold out right now, at least like I was looking at this style, maybe because of pandemic, but they're like sold out at a few things. But please go check them out. I highly recommend them. I'm not affiliated with them in any way or form. They don't know who I am, but I really enjoyed it. And thank you for Fiona. Thank you to Fiona. You rock. When I asked her where the wig is from, she was right. They're amazing. So this is it. That's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like wigs? Do you have lace fronts or regular Halloween wigs? I have both, but I like the lace more, of course, because it's more natural. But let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time. I also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time, which is 7 in UK. So thank you, huge thank you to all my patrons that join my Patreon group. I really enjoy our chats, guys, and I love you. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!